Hey reactors, ParaReact here, welcome back to the reaction video. So, I am going to react to Unbelievable Nature Disasters Cotton Tape. I was requested this by someone to react to this. And, oh Jesus. And so yeah, without further ado, let's do this.
Hi guys, and welcome to another video where today we'll be looking at some of the most incredible natural disaster footage recorded from around the world.
Ooh.
Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and let's get straight into it.
Oh Jesus. Oh. Fucking hell, hope there's not any people there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that car that is just that close from the edge of the bridge. Jesus. Fuck. What the Whoa! Haven't seen anything like this before. Whoa! Oh God! You better run. Oh Jesus, is worse. You see a dude with a Samsung phone just recording it. Little Samsung phone. What? That is fucking ridiculous. We mostly get that here, but not as wild as that. Unbelievable. We're gonna get soaked. Jesus, that's gonna tear everything apart. That is ridiculous. Even a car. Even it takes a car. Oh God, it's gonna go to the side. Move. What's going on here? Wait, what's going on here? I have a feeling the bridge or some. Wait, what's that? That looks like the consistency and the color. That looks like quicksand. Why are you standing there? Move! Even a car is being thin or it's managed. Is that car stuck? The black looks like a black Jeep? Or everything is just. Wait, that's water? That looks like quicksand. What has Mother Nature been doing all this time, honestly? I don't know what that is, but for some reason, quicksand looks like quicksand. That's unbelievable. Whoa. Jesus. Whoa! That was close. Did that car got hit by the tree, the other white car? Because it did at the front. Is that it? That is fucking. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Okay, I don't know what to say if that's just amazing or worrying. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, that was pretty messed up. It was awesome, but pretty messed up. Wow. So I hope you reacted to this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on which videos you want me to react to next. Today's videos, subscribe for reaction videos every day, and I will see you reactors in the next video. Bye.